welcome back to my channel. Not gonna lie, I was mad cheesy, but today I'm gonna be installing this 13 by 6 Amazon wig. Not really sure what I was doing here, but I guess I was showing lace. It's transparent HD lace, and I didn't show how to do my ball cap because I did it in the last video, but if y'all want to see how I did that, y'all can just go to that, or I'll do another one. So here I'm just cutting it off by my ear, and y'all do not come for me for my dead flowers in the back because I don't know, they still cute to me. But
chemistry, I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, let me let you do. It's right now, spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can. I want you in the world, want you gonna stay.
for me, that little, like, the whole extra lace is just irritating, so I just cut it so I could be able to see my hair more because, you know, it be in my face. But yeah, that's what I like to do. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be putting some foundation on the lace. The foundation that I'm using is Ruby Kisses Mineral Powder Foundation level 15, and that it blends right in with my bald cap and my skin. And as y'all can see, it's getting all over my shirt, and I wasn't changing it just for it to get dirty again. So that's what's on my shirt, if you see that. And right now, I'm just gonna be cleaning up all the makeup and glue right there. So when I lay my wig down and put the glue on top, it'll be laid. Right now I'm going to be using my Wonder Lace Bond Lace Wig Adhesive. That's the type of glue that I use, but I just feel like it takes forever for it to dry. Like, I don't know. I feel like it's just too much. So I want to get like something new. So like, if you guys know any other great lace glue, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you. Also, I put 4 coats down to help it stay better.
Who's the ish with a look in your eyes so devilish? You made it dance on the hip hop spots. You cruise to the cruise like a nigga that's not just a bitch. She liked the pop 'cause she was living la vida loca. She had hips like a truck. And I was like, baby, move your I think I see it again. She had hips like a truck. And I was like, all night long. Then we see that.
Okay, y'all, so my sister had my elastic band, so I had to use this. I mean, it worked good because it's like, you know, it's made out of elastic, but I just feel like I needed my elastic band. But it was fine. So right now I'm just parting my hair into the side part that I want it to be in while it's laying. Right now I'm going into plucking my part more so it won't be so bulky and stuff. As y'all can see, when I start to cut the lace, like, it's not really laying like really melted or whatever, because I didn't have my elastic band, but it was still like, it was still laid, it just wasn't melted because I didn't have my elastic band. But you'll see how I fixed it and got it to lay right. When I cut the lace, I like to use a razor, but the razor that I have is dull right now, so I gotta get a new one. But the scissors did a good job too though. This is where I start to blend in the lace more. I'm using the foundation powder that I mentioned earlier. You can start to see that it's starting to blend a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie, I did not pluck this wig because it came a little pre-plucked already and it was like last minute, so I didn't really have time to pluck it. I just plucked what was like basically gonna be showing or whatever, because you know I did a side part. Now I'm gonna be fixing my part into a more rounded part because it was straight at first. So I had to go and fix it, and I'm gonna like section out where I want my baby hairs to be at. Y'all, I know that you can see my lace. I know that it's not melted. I'm gonna say it again because I didn't have my last band, so it's not melted. But I did lay it back down. I did lay it back down when I was like done with my edges and stuff. So when you're doing your baby hairs, I advise you to get a flat iron. Get a mini flat iron so you can lay your baby hairs. It helps 10 times better when you're doing them. When I lay my baby hairs down, I'm using my Lotta Body foaming mousse. And I don't know, I'd rather use the other one because this, it doesn't lay as much, but now I'm going to go into flat ironing my hair with my flat irons so I can then put some flexi rods on them to get some soft curls. And as you can see, I'm not really flat ironing it like bone straight. I'm just like trying to get the curls out like that you can see now. I'm just trying to get that out so when I do my flexi rod curls, it'll look right.
I stay just to impress, spark these bitches' interest. Sex is all I expect if they watch TV in the Lex. They know sex is all I expect if they watch TV in the Lex. 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 They know sex is all I expect if they watch TV in the Lex. 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 Sex is all I expect if they watch TV in the Lex. TV in the Lex. TV in the Lex. TV in the Lex. They know sex is all I expect if they watch TV in the Lex. TV in the Lex. TV in the Lex.
Okay, y'all, so y'all see the little quick outfit change or whatever, but my cousin called, texted me, whatever, and was like, we was going to the nail salon while I was doing my hair, so I had to stop mid-video and go to the nail salon. But you see,
chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why
I know I should have been showed y'all my nails when I mentioned it. But now you see them up close. I feel like you could best see them. They look mad cute, right? I know, I'm feeling it. The reason I cut this section right here is because, like, I wanted to do a curl in the front and then have like the banana clip look in the back, but I ended up not doing that, and I don't know why. I should have did it though, because it would have been mad cute. Don't come for my little dance. My parents were listening to music, but I know I can't dance. I'm from Brooklyn and can't dance. That's sad, I know, right? But not too much, because I'm pretty. Me looking like somebody's cute auntie or whatever. Sorry, nah, but I really do look cute with the flexi rising. I'm crying. So after like I don't know how long, probably like an hour and a half. That wasn't that long, but I took them out. They wasn't really tight or whatever, but they was still a little cute. You like to dance on the hip hop spots and you cruise to the cruise like a nectar dot. Not just urban, she liked the pop cause she was living la vida loca. She had jumps like a truck, thighs like baby move your I think I sing it again. She had jumps like a truck, thighs like all night long. Let me see that. This is when I decided that I didn't want the banana clip look, even though it would have probably been mad cute when I took out the little curl at the top. It would have been cute. I know it would have. I should have did it. I'm mad I didn't do it. Why didn't I do it? I can do it sometime. I don't know. My bozo self gonna cut the curls out. I mean, I said cut. Brush the curls out when I should have just combed it out. You see now I'm trying to fix it, dummy. Sideburn with my lighter body. Hurry up and fix it, girl. Hurry up. Get this look together, girl. TV in the Lex, they know sex is all I expect. They watch TV in the Lex, 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 they know sex is all I expect. They watch TV in the Lex, TV in the Lex, TV in the Lex, TV in the Lex, TV in the Lex. Sex is all I expect. They watch TV in the Lex, 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 they know sex is all I expect. They watch TV in the Lex, TV in the Lex, TV in the Lex, TV in the Lex. Y'all, I had red before, but I never had like this cherry red. Like, this cherry hair looking mad good. Like, I said head, oh my god, I cannot talk, but you see it, don't play with that girl. What Carisha said, real bad. Thanks for tuning into my video. Like, comment, subscribe.
You a different breed, baby. You the one I need.